Hey guys, Chris here. Today, doing a review of something I picked up yesterday on Black Friday. It was not a Black Friday sale, but it was still on Black Friday. My wife needed a new set of a new headset for on her computer. So, and seeing as how you see, I got the old system out of the bedroom in the studio now, since her computer's now done. She needed a new headset. So, got her the SteelSeries Arctis, or Arctis 3. Yes, Arctis 3. All platform wired gaming headset. Works PC, Switch, Xbox, PS4. Got a ClearCast mic. One of the main reasons why we got this for her was because the microphone, basically, when she doesn't want to use it, just wants a headset, microphone just slips right into the whole unit and is tucked away nicely. From the makers of the best gaming headset, PC gamer, SteelSeries Arctis 3. This thing very well reviewed, apparently. Let's see, Discord certified, Windows Sonic ready, which apparently is Windows 3D sound or whatever. So let's get this unboxed and see what we got inside. Because apparently, according to the box, it includes cables / setup. It's got the 4-pole 3.5mm cable, dual 3.5mm cable, and then it shows the connection setup. The headphones. Nominal impedance 32 ohms. Frequency response 20 to 20,000 hertz. Not bad. Total harmonic distortion less than 3%, and sensitivity 92 decibels at 1 kilohertz, 1 milliwatt. So, and the microphone bidirectional, noise canceling, 100 to 10,000 hertz frequency response, and sensitivity of negative 38 decibel volts / I'm not sure what the hell that is, but what the hell. Let's get this puppy cracked open and see what we got inside. Toss the box. And there's another box. Slide this puppy up. Let's see. Rise up. We don't play games to escape reality. We play to rewrite it. We're the esports professionals and the pub stars, the 1 horsepower heroes and the bottom of the scoreboard zeros. The streamers and the dreamers, whether you win, lose, or rage quit, that's all on you. But remember that reality is not a limit. GLHF. Okay. Well, they put a lot of effort in the packaging. There's the main cable. And the adapter cables for the microphone and headphone. And then the headset itself. Ooh. Oh, and it comes with a booklet. Ooh. Wow, check this out. Nice quality. Nice ear cups. Ooh, stuff to peel. And peel that. Peel that. Wow, very nice quality. Ooh, some more stuff to peel. Peel that. And peel that. Wow. Even adjustable. On-ear controls too. Volume. It's like you got button for the microphone. Then you got your cable hookup for the let's see. So that way you can, which is very nice because that way, just in case you damage the cable for whatever reason, you can order a new one of these and then simply replace it without having to replace the whole headset, which is very nice. Hopefully it'll be just as easy to, order the replacements. Of course, if I can figure out how to get this stupid thing plugged in. I got it facing right. There we go. Ah! Not entirely sure what that hookup is, but... Oh, fine. Let's look up in the directions. So, love it. Hate it. Okay. We're here to help. We're thrilled you're enjoying this day. More garbage. So, let's figure out which is left and which one's right. Let's check out this slide out microphone part. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't want to stay in place, but not bad. Now, I guess it goes on. Ooh. Wow. They do block out a lot of noise. Very comfortable on the head. Not bad. It's got this elastic band on the top. So, wow, these are very, very comfortable, I gotta admit. So, well, next step is going to be having my wife test these. And I'll test them too, and then I'll come back with a wrap up on the quality of the sound. See, it's how I can't really like hold it up and go, here, sound, listen. So we'll have to do some further testing and wrap up this video. So we'll be back. Okay, so to pretty much wrap it up, for $40, mind you, we got it at Best Buy for $40. I think you can pretty much find it just about anywhere for $40. So that pretty much does it for the look at the Arctis 3 by SteelSeries gaming headset. And overall impressions, good quality sound, good bass response. They don't get super loud, even with them all the way cranked up, but loud enough so that you can hear them. Of course, I'm getting older, so my hearing's going, so it takes a lot of more volume. So to those who don't have as much hearing loss, probably going to be loud enough. But overall, good quality, good build. I mean, they are plastic, but I mean, they don't feel like they're flimsy. No adjustment needed on them when you go to put them on your head because of this elastic band. You just simply slip them on your head and they just fit. They don't put any severe pressure on your ears. Pretty much fit all the way around my ears and my wife's ears. She loves them. I like them. I think they're going to be a very good pair of headphones for her. Like I said, the microphone just slides out like that and slides in. Button to turn on and off the microphone, volume adjustment, replaceable cable. So, I mean, overall, I think very good quality headset. The only thing I will say in a negative way is the cable that comes with it. It's kind of finicky on going in, but once you got it, it's not too big a deal. But and they fold up nice and flat like this, so you can just kind of on the table and pull them out like that. But yeah, very, very durable. I mean, wrench on it pretty good and doesn't feel like it's going to break. So, but yeah, overall, with the adapter cable, it makes this a very long cable. So yeah, so that's been a look at the SteelSeries Arctis 3. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Oh, I just haven't realized. Haha. Okay. Okay, there is a little bit of adjustment to it. Haha. Very cool. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And hopefully I'll be able to keep continuing and bring on stuff like this. And thanks for watching.